Hey y'all, it's your girl Shay, and we're back with another video, and this time we are at Daytona Bike Week 2024. I know I already been 2 years before. This is my third year, and this year definitely took the cake. So let's go ahead and get into it. Let's ride. Official day of us actually exploring, getting footage, doing things. So I'm super excited about this year. I've been for the last 3 years, but I feel like this year is definitely gonna be lit. So yeah,
I'm a virgin to it, so it's my first time, and I'm enjoying it so far. We got a late day. That's all it is out here. All you do is your bikes, but late day, but we're gonna get it started.
Yes.
Trying to spend too much money on these bikes, but
that's him. He's speaking for himself. I already know I ain't finna spend no money.
I'm gonna try to get her some.
I don't need anything. Look, I'm tired of spending money on these dang Harleys, y'all.
Yep.
That's you. No, but we about to head up this swap meet and see what they have. We went there last year and it was cool, but hopefully we can try to find just a little parts or whatever we can get for the low. And I want that dang shrimp I had last year because that shrimp was so good. It was so good, y'all. I've been talking about it all day. But all right, let's get to it.
Still got crack, yeah. Still got crack, still got crack.
Alright y'all, so let me tell y'all this story, right? Because he pulled up next to me and said he wanted gas. So I ended up, using a little touch screen trying to find gas or whatever, and it took us here. And apparently the Harley right there is having an event. That's why we have all these bikes. There's also a bar right there. So it's crowded out here at this here gas station. But we don't plan on staying here. We plan on going to the swap meet. And that's what we finna do.
Still got crack.
Okay. We got Foxy and Red Eye in the building.
Yes.
AKA
Fire and Ice, Foxy, Red Eye, that's us.
Make sure y'all follow their YouTube now. Support, show love.
We outside.
Look, they couple goals, y'all. They couple goals for
we
sure.
appreciate that, yeah.
Alright, let me go ahead and give y'all a quick story time. So it's about 10 of us, right? We're in traffic, the roads are blocked. We're in the formation, about to make this U-turn, but then these guys eased their way on in, broke our formation. They saw that gap, and they thought it was an opportunity to take it. My sis pulled up, let him know, hey, we're in formation, but he simply ignored her, and they proceeded to squeeze on in that gap. Proceeded to do it. So then, bro, coming up, whoop, bro came up quick. Let him know, like, yo, bro, like, we are in a formation right now. If you don't mind kindly waiting like the rest of us did, please do that. You're breaking up a formation. But he clearly ignored him. Look at that, still moving. So, bro, okay, I mean, hey, I don't know if you heard me, but we in formation. Please be respectful. Please get behind. It's 10 of us. Get behind this person. Like, da-da-da. Anyway, all I'm saying is, I get it. They probably didn't understand or didn't know that we were in formation, but please don't do that. We waited patiently. please proceed to wait patiently. There's a lot going on. Really, safety is the only thing that we care about. So if you need to wait in that long line like the rest of us did, that's what you need to do. But we moved on.
We could have made it.
Not me getting distracted by this dog. Y'all, this man put this wristband on my wrist and I got scared.
Take care. Good old weekend. Must be good on your own.
Thank you. You there for the whole weekend? Nice.
What you looking at, hips? That's nice.
Well, she's talking about you can put in your garage. I was like, that's spooky ass garage.
You said spooky?
Oh, that's cute. Yeah. That garage got spiders in there.
Alright now. This one. Man, this don't have no cushion to it. Hold on. This have no cushion.
Right there.
Damn, my butt hurt already. Alright, you wanna keep going? Look at our bikes. What's that? Yeah, that's it. I wanted one of those in Korea.
Oh, it's us.
Yeah.
What's up, y'all? We having fun? No, we having fun, though. It's a good time.
Yeah. Seeing different things.
Yeah, come out here. You gotta know what you want. There's so much stuff.
Right. Yeah. There go the Howards.
Everybody gonna need to get a push out.
But yeah, we out here. Nice. Look, he laughing at me because I'm walking fast as all get because I want this shrimp, but I hope they still open. I've been talking about this shrimp since I got here. Look at this. Are y'all still open?
Yep, I'm open.
Yes! I've been talking about this shrimp since I got here yesterday. I had it last year and it's so good.
Wonderful.
Okay, perfect. I forgot which shrimp I had though.
Maybe the beer battered red shrimp, our hand battered ones, or we got coconut, we got the tempuras, we got a couple pictures over on the
It was the beer battered shrimp.
That's usually the big hit.
Yes, I would love that, please. Thank you so much.
Get it all ready for you. Give me about 3-4 minutes.
Okay, thank you.
I'm famous right now.
Yes, I'm sorry. I got the beer.
No, I'm not scared to do it. It's just a helicopter.
You said it was windy.
It was windy when it was windy. I'm not.
All right, we about to do this, y'all. There's the helicopter. Beep, beep, beep. Good.
Well, miss, I guess I'll be on my way now. You just give me a...
Well, we made it, you guys. That was fun. We ended up getting some pictures, some good footage.
Yeah, it was fun. We're still alive. I'm here.
Yeah.
We're here.
We're here.
Still see our son.
There go Willie B and DJ. All right, y'all, I was playing around a little bit too much. These guys wanted to race. Look at this, look at this. I could have got it if I really tried. Y'all, I was cracking up. Man, that was fun for real. I don't know if y'all peeped the guy that was next to me, but that lady was struggling holding on his backpack. I don't even know why he tried me, but look, I tried it again, y'all. Literally playing around too much, y'all. I missed the turn. Missed the turn playing around with me, man. But we about to get something to eat, and then we about to go hit up Bethune. y'all. I got a hat. That shit was like $300. And there you have it, Daytona Bike Week 2024. Thanks for tuning in. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Till next time, let's ride.